Good day. Today we are going to cook pork adobo. Before we start, make sure to wear the appropriate attire for cooking. And prepare the ingredients needed. And now let us start by first washing the meat and cutting it. After cutting the meat, cut the onions and garlic. Now let us begin cooking. First, heat the pan, add oil, then put the cut onions and garlic, and add the meat. Season it with salt and pepper. Make sure to mix. Then add soy sauce and mix it again. Now add some oyster sauce. Mix. Wait for a few minutes while mixing it. Then add some Sprite. Add dried leaves. Make sure to mix and cover it. Add some water. Mix it well and wait for a few minutes for the pork adobo to cook. Check if it is soft and brown. And once it is all done, you may now serve it. You may add a little bit of garnish. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching.